Hey there! So I'm about to walk you through something pretty cool, Latenode's AI Scenario Helper. If you've ever wasted time trying to connect your apps or set up automations, this is going to save you a ton of headaches. What I love about this feature is how it translates real work situations into actual automation workflows. Instead of wrestling with complicated interfaces, you just describe what you want to happen in plain English. The AI figures out the technical stuff behind the scenes. Let me show you what I mean.
First prompt. When there's a new event in Google Calendar, notify me in Slack. Latenode AI Helper replies, when a new or modified event occurs in Google Calendar, it will trigger the process. A message will then be sent to a public Slack channel to notify you about the event.
Next prompt. After someone fills out the demo request type form, create or update the contact in HubSpot and send a message to Slack to @SalesChannel with the lead's name, company, and phone. The AI breaks this down into steps, capture the Typeform submission, create or update the contact in HubSpot, then send a lead notification to the sales channel in Slack with all the key detail.
Next prompt. Whenever a Stripe invoice is marked paid, create a corresponding sales receipt in QuickBooks and log the payment details in a Google Sheet called Revenue 2025. The AI outlines the workflow. When an invoice is paid in Stripe, it triggers a sales receipt creation in QuickBooks and logs the payment details into a Google Sheet named Revenue 2025. It connects Stripe to QuickBooks and integrates with Google Sheets seamlessly.
Next prompt. When our brand is mentioned on X, add the tweet text, author, and timestamp to an Airtable base named Social Mentions and text me the author's handle. The AI breaks it down. When the brand is mentioned on X, formerly Twitter, it captures the tweet details, text, author, and timestamp, and adds them to an Airtable base called Social Mentions. It also sends a text message with the author's handle. Simple and automated.
Next prompt. If a Shopify order status changes to refunded, open a Zendesk ticket tagged refund and ping #support in Slack with the order number. The AI outlines the workflow. When a Shopify order gets refunded, it automatically creates a Zendesk ticket with a refund tag and sends a notification to the #support Slack channel with the order number. It connects Shopify to both Zendesk and Slack seamlessly. Next prompt. Every Monday at 9 a.m., pull last week's sessions and bounce rate from Google Analytics and post them as a Slack message in #marketing. The AI sets up a scheduled task. Every Monday at 9 a.m., it pulls the previous week's sessions and bounce rate from Google Analytics and posts the results as a message in the #marketing Slack channel. It automates the reporting process for the marketing team. Next prompt. When a new employee is added in BambooHR, duplicate the Google Drive template folder onboarding kit with the employee's name, share it with them, and post a welcome note in #PeopleOps Slack channel. The AI outlines the workflow. When a new employee is added in BambooHR, it duplicates the onboarding kit folder, renames it with the employee's name, shares it with them, and posts a welcome note in the #PeopleOps Slack channel. It automates onboarding tasks seamlessly. Next prompt. Every time a new email arrives, let OpenAI ChatGPT read it. If the AI decides the message is either urgent, from my boss, or marked personal, generate a warm, human-sounding reply, sign with my name, and save it as a draft reply in the same thread. Add a private Gmail label, AI drafted, so I can spot it instantly. The AI breaks it down. Every new email triggers OpenAI to review it. If it's urgent, from your boss, or marked personal, OpenGPT generates a warm, human-sounding reply, signs it with your name, saves it as a draft, and adds an AI-drafted label for easy spotting.
That's the AI Scenario Helper. Describe your workflow in plain English, and Latenode makes it happen. No coding, no complex setups, just working smarter. Give it a try at latenode.com and see how much time you can save.